We guide you through how to upload files to Google Drive on your iPhone quickly and easily. First thing you need to do is install and open the Google Drive app from the App Store and sign in to your Google account. Tap the plus button at the bottom right and select Upload. Choose the type of file you want to upload, like photos and videos, or browse for Document Store on your iPhone. Then select the files, then tap Upload, and Google Drive will start saving them to your account. Once uploaded, your files are accessible from any device where you are signed in, and you can organize them into folders, share them with others, or make them available offline. This is simple way to back up imports files directly from your iPhone.